Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out together right now in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is coming to you courtesy this platform. And of course, if you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions in the comment section. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share the video with your friends and family. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out right now in this video, and of course everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course this actually started a downtrend right from the resistance zone. Okay, it started from here and it has been selling since then. Okay, so it actually broke out from this particular support zone, and of course it has gotten, it is approaching a new support zone. So if you have been in the market, then you should be getting ready to close your trade, or you lock up 80% of the profit right now. You can see my trade is also going on at the moment. Okay, so that is one advantage of this trading tool. Okay, so this is more of a selling opportunity at the moment. Okay, that is, it is still selling at the moment. Okay, if it's unable to break out from this support zone, then it will change the direction of the trend into an uptrend. But once it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. Okay, so selling at the moment, even though it might not be for long again. Okay, so next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out. This is boom 500. That had also been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course you got the red flag and the arrows, and it has been selling since then. Played around there for a while before breaking out below it around there to get to a new support. Okay, it has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back into an uptrend. Once it breaks out above this particular resistance zone, once it breaks out above it, okay, so it's going to buy more. Okay, so we expect more of a buying opportunity right from there, because it has got into a major support zone already. Okay, next one should be crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000, got to this resistance and was unable to break out above it, so it started selling right from there. Got to this region, pulled back a bit and played around it for a while before breaking out below this support zone to sell more. It has got into this support zone and it has not been able to break out below it, so it is still playing around there for a while. For now, if it breaks out below the support zone, to keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back fully on buy trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so wait for the right signal before you can go fully into it. Okay, so we expect more of a buying, but that is if it does not break out from this support zone. Okay, so you should take note of that. Okay, so the next asset should be crash 1000. This is crash 1000, and of course right from this support zone it started an uptrend. It has been buying since then, got to this resistance zone, and of course sold for a while, and now it's trying to go back. Okay, so it is still very much an uptrend, but if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone, then it will go back fully on downtrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. This is still buying at the moment. If it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it will start selling right from there. Okay, so the next asset should be volatility 75. It started the downtrend right from here, and you can see it selling and selling and selling. At first it played around there for a while, but immediately broke out below this, then it started selling till it got to this support zone. Okay, if it breaks out below the support zone, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will keep on, it will go back on a buy trend. Okay, so for now it is still selling, even though it might not be for long in case it's unable to break out below that support zone. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.